What is a menu system? A menu system, or menu-driven interface, is a collection of menus used to present the tasks of, or information about, a particular application program or software system. In our case, an accounting application program. The system allows you to pick from the menu of choices it displays on the screen by working your way through a series of screens or menus. Menu titles may appear as text, icons, or both, and a selection is made by clicking or tapping the title or icon and selecting from the list. The menu system normally also provides drop-down or pull-down menus. A drop-down menu is a menu that displays a range of choices list of options. The title of the menu, or the currently selected item in the list, is always displayed. When the title is clicked, other items from a list, drop-down, are shown, and the user can choose from those options. A customer list is an example of an often used drop-down menu.